Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the topic that we will discuss is pressure, force and area. The concept of pressure is related with the force and the area. In order to explain or understand the concept of pressure, let's take an example. For example, you are standing on a heap of sand and you feel that your weight, which is actually a force, exert a force on the sand, and you feel that you are sink into the sand. Now in the second case, if you place a wooden plank and you stand over that wooden plank, then in this case you will not feel any sink in that sand. So in the first case, the weight means the force of a body act on a smaller area, mean the feet area is smaller as compared to the wooden plank. In the second case, the weight or a force of a body act on a large area. Due to the smaller area, the force in the first case will be greater than the force in the second case. Or you can say the pressure in the first case will be greater than the pressure in the second case. So now we can define the pressure as the amount of force acting perpendicular on a unit area of a body, and mathematically we can write that definition as pressure is equivalent to force divided by area. If we represent pressure by P and force by F, area by A, we can symbolically represent the above equation. P is equivalent to F divided by A. The unit of pressure can be defined as in System International. This is a system in which we define different physical quantities units, which we will define later in the coming chapter. In this system, in the SI system, the unit of pressure is called Pascal and it is denoted by PA, capital P and small a. The unit of force in the same system, the System International, or symbolically we represent the System International by SI. The unit of force is Newton. Similarly, in the same system, the System International, the unit of area is square meter and mathematically we write m square. Keeping this unit, we can derive the unit of pressure as P is equivalent to F divided by A, where P represent pressure, F represent force, A represent area. So pressure unit is Pascal, which is equivalent to, if we replace the force by its unit, that is Newton, and area by its unit, that is meter square. So Pascal is equivalent to Newton per meter square. Now we can define 1 Pascal as when a force of 1 Newton act perpendicularly on a area of 1 square meter, the pressure exerted will be 1 Pascal.